Round 6 MotoGP completed for sprint race at Le Mans circuit for France Grand Prix. Marc Marquez once again win the gold medal on French GP sprint race ahead of Alex Marquez, and the rookie from Aldegar, who has won the battle against home hero Fabio Quartararo. And unfortunate for Pecco Bagnaia, who has earlier crashed on lap 2. Here are the Rider Championship standings after sprint race at Le Mans. Marc Marquez back on top after win 6 sprint race at Le Mans, collecting 151 point ahead his brother Alex Marquez by 2 point on second. Bagnaia on third with disappointed result, 120 point 31 point gap for Marquez. Pertamina Enduro VR46 riders, Frankie Morbidelli 84 point on fourth, followed by Fabio Di Giannantonio fifth by 66 point. Sixth Yamaha factory rider Fabio Quartararo 56 point. Seventh Johann Zarco best Honda riders 47 point. Eighth Japanese rider 37 point consider as best rookie so far. Marco Bezzecchi Aprilia racing 9th 36 point ahead Pedro Acosta 33 point completing top 10. First ever MotoGP podium on sprint race for rookie Fermin Aldegar. Moved to 11 with 32 point equalizing Brad Binder and Luca Marini. '25 MotoGP race podium.